going on, fellow Pyros? We're back with Meatball Hero Pancake from Smoking Alien. It is 28 shots. Here's an angry meatball with a tomato. Remember that movie Killer Tomatoes? That's what it reminds me of right there. So anyways, this is a pancake, so you see face this way toward your audience. 28 shots. I looked around and I did not see any performance on here. So we're going to just check it out together and see what we think. But let's take a look on the inside real quick. There's your fan. Again, this is Smoking Alien brand fireworks. Meatball Hero, 28 shots. Got this from Intergalactic Fireworks out of Langhorne, PA. You know the drill. Thumbs up, thumb down. Comment down below. Boy Rob, we'll see you in a few seconds. 4.